So guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is to propagate grapes from cuttings. So all I'm going to do is cut it right here. And I'm just going to trim it a little bit. I'm going to leave this one because it's nice growth. I'm going to cut this one up to here and this one up to here. So my dad's just going to stick it right in there. And now it should grow, and I'm going to give some to my grandma and her friends because they want these type of grapes that are good for winemaking, and they're going to grow them on their garden. So we haven't been back here in this area since we planted these Amfoch grapes. We were planning on giving them to my grandma and her friends. So right now my dad is killing all these stuff. Those are weeds. So yeah, we haven't been out in this area for a long time. And look, there's baby grapes in there. And in that one. And in that one. And in that one. And since we planted these, we really haven't been back here. Those are the baby Amfoch. So this is our Amfoch family.